This is a big warning sign for a lot of coin holder. One of them, Shiba, Dogecoin, Gala. We're gonna talk about right now where the price will be bought back again by the whales, because they have a trick right now. They have a panic selling for a lot of new trader and then buy back all the prices that the new trader just sold and they buy it on cheap. So we're gonna buy with them when the price go down. So let's get right to it here. Look with me for Shiba, the price going down right now, and let's go on Bitget because we're gonna trigger buy limit order. First for Shiba, here we have a nice target level around the 0.4027. We're gonna see a buying pressure happening again here, and as I said, the 0.4021. However, let me just go on Bitget right now without further ado and just take the time to just buy Shiba with you right now to show you how it works. For Shiba is let me just check here. We can yeah, it's kind of it's like okay, where's Shiba? So for Shiba, we have to buy around the 0.4027, and here we found Shiba, and as we said, we have kind of dip here. So boom, let me just do buy limit order and 27.56. Let me just do 50% here, and okay, leverage, let's say yeah, for give or take, let me just lower it a bit for 3 because Shiba is a bit volatile, and just do buy limit order. Boom, we have the buy limit order here. And if we go right now to Doge and see where the price will be squeezed for Doge, Doge as well, the price is going down as we said perfectly on Discord. As we said here, if you want to join, we have already 10,000 members. We said the price to buy for Dogecoin when we have the selling pressure here, we said is right now is shorting. There is bearish momentum happening the moment that we broke this ascending line and we entered this bearish momentum, and this is consolidation, just consolidation and testing for this resistance, which is the 0.1776. As I said in my Patreon, I told my hunter, don't buy until we have a confirmation above the 0.1776. That's why be patient, okay? Let the price come to you. Right now the price going down, so we have a first test around the 0.1603. We might see a massive jump down, so I will just be extra careful for right now, and we see maybe the price go around the 0.14. So let me just do right now for Doge as well, and do Doge where, okay, let me just find Doge here. Yeah, we found Doge. So for Doge, we're gonna see a buying pressure happening for sure around this area first. Wait a second, around this area, the 0.15 first, then we might go to the 0.13. However, I will just put around the 0.1523 and go Bitget again. As I said, if you want to join or use Bitget, because I'm using Bitget as well, you can get the 158 USDT Tether. It's not coupon, but you can use it at the moment that you join with my link and you trade with it, okay? So you don't have to use your own money. You can actually trade with the gift with my link in comment section below, and you do buy limit order with me right now. So let me just put right now, let me put 50% here as well, buy limit order, and what we said the price will go around the 15.30. okay, this is sound good for me. 15 and put 30, okay, 35, buy limit order, perfect. 3x leverage here, perfect, and buy limit order. The next one we have Gala. And for Gala as well is the moment that we broke this ascending line, as we said in picture on Discord, we said is a bearish sign. Right now the price is going down. We have a bit of hold up for Gala. We have a bit of support here around the 0.41. However, the most important support that will be tested if we don't hold the 0.41 100 is the 37. Let me just put it on 37.50. Okay, 37.60. Okay, for Gala, let me just go here and find Gala and just yeah, and do a buy limit order for Gala around what? Which price? Let me just check again. Around the 38. Okay, let me just put it around the 38 just in case. And relax and let the price come to me. Boom, boom, confirm, boom. We did all our buy limit order and just wait and let the price come to us. Let me just check again here on Ape Wisdom, where a lot of Redditors talk about crypto, and see which one they talk about right now. We have Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, and of course we have Harmony and Cardano and Chainlink. So we have a really good coins at the top, and we're gonna discuss them in a later video. However, in the meantime, just what you waiting for? Use your bonus, as I said, the 158, and just buy the limit order and Bitget with me and let us hunt. So without further ado, hopefully you enjoyed the video and see you in the next update.